Big up the Facebook page and him strolling. I always go on a page and go get something to laugh off. Well, at Easter, you know what time that is? Bunin season. Kinda feel sorry for a lot of one right now. Both males and females. And the fun out there get bun pan rapid. And when it near to the summer, nobody no want to cuddle up. Nobody no want to cuddle body no more. There's nothing you can do about it than just stay with that one person where you say you truly love. Love make you do some dumb shit though. Now, bunin season. That time here come around when it near to Easter holiday. You know? Bun. Now, doing in the winter. On the second floor, on again. Niggas fall in love with some bitches. Girls get them heart broken by that asshole. All of this is one big cycle.
How's that for?
Now, about them time, yeah. When you see say relationship start broke up. People start getting mad for some fuckery. Relationship decrease by 60%. Because it a get near to summertime. A lot of fucking a go on. This is when every young girl depend yellow! 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 Hey, you only live once! You only live once! Be free! Oh! Bitch, I'm single! Boop! Gonna find myself a new man! Boop! Boop! It's the summertime! I'm single! Woo! Easter time, this is the time when somebody out of the relationship want to try something new. You know, venture out and don't give a fuck on who them end up with or who are gonna get hurt in the process. When you get closer to them time there, you see them start change a little bit. Think them set to you a attitude. Babes, there you go. Nigga don't motherfucking ask me where I'm going. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna buy pads. You wanna buy them? No. Okay then. Boop. Okay then. But that's a my take for Easter holiday. Bunin season. So you don't know what to do already. Comment, subscribe and rate. Happy Easter to you and yours. So it go. Yoko! You only cute online.
Girl, your pussy enough, girl, your pussy buff. Jesus Christ, look how you make me cocky tough. Don't make your friends tell you who you know for fuck. All them do is talk shit, 2 girls, 1 cup. Back shot time, make me see you back it up.